lecture I am going to discuss about remaining parts of the circle. First one is length of arc. Let us consider this is a circle having center O and this is point A and this is point B. Suppose we have to find out the length of this arc AB. We have to find out length of this arc AB. Let this arc length is small l. Now this arc is making an angle of theta. This arc is making an angle of theta at center O. So this angle theta is known as central angle for this arc AB. This theta is given in degree. Now arc length L equals to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. This is the formula to calculate this arc length AB. So here L is length of arc AB, theta is central angle in degree, r is radius of circle. So there are three unknowns. First is length of arc AB, second is central angle theta, and third is radius. Out of these three variables, any two variables are given, then you can easily calculate third variable. So this arc length AB is small l and its length is L equals to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. By using this formula, you can calculate the arc length AB. Now, which type of arc is this? This arc AB is minor arc because here theta is less than 180 degree. If this central angle theta is less than 180 degree, then this is known as minor arc. So this length small l is for minor arc. If you wish to find out the length of this major arc, that is length of major arc A, C, B or B, C, A, then this length equals to circumference of circle minus length of this minor arc. So circumference of circle minus circumference of circle minus minor arc length. This is length of major arc of circle A, C, B or B, C, A. So circumference of circle equals to 2 pi r minus minor arc length equals to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. 2 pi r and 2 pi r are common. So 2 pi r bracket 1 minus theta upon 360 degree. By using this formula, you can calculate the length of major arc. But my suggestion is simply learn this formula, length of minor arc, and subtract this minor arc length in circumference of circle, then you will get length of major arc. And in this formula, L is length of arc AB, theta is central angle in degree, and R is radius of circle. Next topic is area of minor sector. Let us consider this is a circle having center O and this is arc AB making an angle of theta at center. This OA is radius and this OB is also radius, and this arc length is small l. This is arc length which is small l. So now we have to find out area of minor sector. This is the region which is bounded between this arc AB and these two radius is this region O, A, B, O. This region is minor sector and you have to find out area of this minor sector. So area of minor sector equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. This is area of this minor sector where r is radius, r is radius of circle, and theta is central angle in degree. So the area bounded by this region A, B, O and A is pi r square theta upon 360 degree, which is area of minor sector. Now if you have to find out area of major sector, then this portion, let us consider this point is C. So A, C, B, O, A. Area of major sector equals to this area of circle minus area of minor sector is area of major sector. So area of circle minus area of minor sector. Area of circle equals to pi r square minus area of minor sector, this pi r square theta upon 360 degree. It means if you will subtract this minor sector area, in area of circle, then you will get area of this major sector. And here theta is central angle which is made by this arc AB at center. So in this formula pi r square is common from both the terms, so it will give pi r square common 1 minus theta upon 360 degree. This is area of major sector. So by using this formula, area of minor sector formula, you can find out area of major sector. Simply subtract this area in area of circle, you will get area of major sector. Next topic is perimeter of sector. Suppose this is a circle having center O and this is arc AB, which is making an angle of theta degree at center, and its length is small l. Arc length is small l. What? Arc length. Now we have to find out perimeter of sector. So there are two sectors in this circle. First one is minor sector and second one is major sector. Minor sector is O, A, B, O, and major sector is O, A, C, B, O. This is major sector and this is minor sector. Here for minor sector, theta is less than 180 degree. Now we have to calculate perimeter of sector. So this region, which is bounded between this arc AB and these two radius OA and OB, is minor sector. Now you have to calculate perimeter of this sector. So here perimeter of minor sector equals to, this is arc length L. So perimeter, basic meaning of perimeter is sum of boundary of a given closed figure. So this is a closed figure O, A, B, O, then OA add up, AB add up, OB is perimeter. So value of OA is small r, add up value of AB is small l, add up further value of OB is small r. So you will get 2r add up L. This is perimeter of minor sector. Where R is radius and a small l is arc length. Here arc length is minor arc length. So by using this formula, you can easily calculate perimeter of this minor sector. Now if you wish to calculate perimeter of major sector, then you can calculate this length, add up this length, add up this length. This is the perimeter of major sector. So this is region bounded between this major arc and two radius OA and OB. Simply calculate this arc length AB and add these two radius. So perimeter of major sector equals to major arc length A CB add up OA add up OB. So this ACB add up OA add up OB, or you can simply write OB add up OA. Now what is major arc length? This is major arc length ACB, and this is equals to the circumference of circle minus this arc length small l. So 2 pi r minus this arc length L, this is length of major arc, add up OB is r and OA is also r. So by using this formula 2 pi r minus L add up 2r, you can calculate the perimeter of this major sector. You can also put here L equals to 3 theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. Then you can find out perimeter of a major sector. Remember this formula, and you can easily find out this perimeter of major sector by using this formula. Perimeter of major sector is sum of this major arc added to radius, and in order to find out this major arc length, simply calculate circumference of circle and subtract this minor arc length. You will get remaining portion, that is major arc length, and simply add these two radius. Next topic is area of minor segment. Now we have to find out area of minor segment. Formula in order to calculate area of minor segment. So in order to calculate this area, suppose this is a circle having center O, and this is called AB. So A, P, B, this is A, P, B, minor arc, this is making an angle of theta degree at center. So theta is less than 180 degree. That's why this arc AB is minor arc, and this is OA equals to R, and this OB equals to R. And suppose this arc length APB is small l. This arc length APB is small l. Now we have to find out area of minor segment. This portion in this figure, that is APBA. APBA is minor segment, and you have to calculate the area of this minor segment. So in order to calculate the area of this minor segment, you already know area of this minor sector and area of this triangle. Now if you will subtract area of this triangle in area of minor sector, then you will easily find out area of this minor segment. So concentrate over here. First calculate area of triangle OAB. This triangle OAB is a isosceles triangle. So area of triangle OAB equals to half into r square sine theta, where r is radius and theta is central angle in degree. Theta is central angle in degree. Then you can calculate area of triangle OAB, which is isosceles triangle, and its area is half r square sine theta. Now area of minor sector. This is minor sector OAPBO. So area of minor sector equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Now subtract this triangle area in this minor sector area. If you will subtract this triangle area in this minor sector area, see here, this is minor sector and this is triangle OAB. Then if you will subtract this triangle from this minor sector, then you will get remaining portion, and which is minor segment. So finally area of minor segment equals to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus half r square sin theta. This is formula to calculate area of minor segment. This is the final formula. By using this formula, you can calculate area of minor segment.